Fixing to tear up all these stairs, these treads, like this one. And what I'm going to be doing is installing a centerpiece. I'm going to install a 2x6 board to go stretch across here. And this is going to help the stairwell. Usually it's more creaky than that. Let's see. I'm gonna try and solve that problem. So I got my tread out, and as you can see, it's a nice finish. And on the end here, you got the nails, right? And so what I want to do is I want to take these out as clean as possible. So instead of tapping them out and getting them out this way and then taking this and pry it out, I don't want to do that because this is a very nice piece of wood. I don't want to mess it up. So I don't want to run the risk of damaging it. So what am I going to do? I have a tool that I'm going to use to take these nails out. And here it is right here. So I'm going to go from the opposite direction, grab it, and pull. So, there you go. I got my nail out. And there's absolutely no damage to this side of my tread. So, I'm going to do that all the way up all 9 stairs. And then when I go to put this back in where it belongs, I'm gonna put a new screw right in the same place, right in the same location. So, boom.